तो मैं सेल्फ मेड तो नहीं बोलता, इंसान को हर किसी की जरूरत तो पड़ती है लाइफ में।
I mean, इतने सारे लोग हैं, शायद उनकी स्टोरीज आएगी भी नहीं. I think that everyone is important for your journey.
वो जो आपने सबसे पहला रोल किया था, हाउ दैट रोल लैंडेड टू यू?
1920 was an audition, and when I went to meet Vikram Bhatt, he thought that I didn't look the part because they were looking for a foreigner. But then जब उन्होंने मुझे part बताया था, I thought, wow, they liked the audition. You'll have to ask them why they thought we'll just take her and not a foreigner.
कभी कभार कहता है ऑन कैमरा लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट ऑफ कैमरा वैसे नहीं है।
How much can you fake? 2 मीटिंग्स के लिए या 2 डेट के लिए आप फेक कर सकते हो, उसके बाद आपका अंदरूनी शैतान बाहर निकल के आएगा.
मैंने जितने भी आपके दोस्तों से बात किया ना, सब लोगों ने एक बात को तो अग्री किया, wherever you go, you always look for the windows.
Maybe it's some deep-rooted subconscious thing.
With growing age, obviously we more get inclined toward the spirituality.
Maybe because लोग सब कुछ ट्राई करते हैं and then they realize कि किसी भी चीज़ में खुशी नहीं है. मुझे दुनिया में ढोकला और खोखलापन, मुझे I used to I can read minds, I know what's
Are you Shiv Bhakt?
I always have been.
क्यों? But
It's like love, no? It's like asking you, why do you love her? No logical reason.
मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि आप जानवरों से ही बात कर ली।
सी जानवरों का क्या है ना, जो है वो मुँह पे है. बहुत सारे लोगों का जो है वो एक्चुअली शेर हो, पर आप पनी रैबिट बन के आप बने हो और आप मेरे सामने हो, तो मुझे लगता है यू नो यू विल बी लाइक हेलो बनी रैबिट और आप मुझे खा लोगे.
Ada, thank you for being part of Impact Stories, and Impact Stories mean we always come down with raw and real stories. तो बिल्कुल ग्राउंड से बने हो. आई थिंक यू अमंग्स देम. जो तो मैं सेल्फ मेड तो नहीं बोलता, इंसान को हर किसी की जरूरत तो पड़ती है लाइफ में, है ना? सो हाउ योर स्टोरी बिगेन इन द इंडस्ट्री ऑफ एक्टिंग?
तो लाइक यू सेड, हर किसी को आई मीन इतने सारे लोग हैं जो हम लोग देख भी सकते हैं और जो शायद उनकी स्टोरीज आएगी भी नहीं, बिकॉज एवरी पर्सन जिन्होंने मेरी फेस की लाइटिंग की, you know, from them to every person who worked on set tirelessly to make an actor look good, I think. So I think that everyone is important for your journey. I mean, हर एक director जिसने मुझे मौके दिए, कितने सारे लोगों ने मुझे ऐसे ट्रस्ट किया. Like my first movie was 1920. I didn't have a body of work or a show reel. जो आप कहते हो.
Early, I know. You started very early
आप
stage.
इंडस्ट्री से नहीं हो तो जब भी मौका मिले आप कर लो, I feel. And आपको लीड रोल मिल रहा है, and ऐसा रोल आई थिंक लोग अपनी पूरी करियर्स करते हैं, और ऐसा रोल मुझे फर्स्ट मूवी में मिला. People don't get the chance to do that in their entire. Sometimes you're not lucky enough to get that. So I think I'm very fortunate. So yeah, that credit goes to everyone. Whoever gave me an opportunity, I think. Everyone who gave me an opportunity for a small role, a lead, an ad, a music video, जो भी, every.
How was your childhood?
Well, I think now, if you rewind back and see कि जो भी आपको तब लगता था, now even people लोग बोलते हैं कि ज्योमेट्री कहाँ यूज़ होता है, हम लोग कहाँ साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा यूज़ करते हैं, या जो हम लोग ने इतना रट्टा मारा था ज्योग्राफी पेपर के पहले, वेयर दिस वाज एंड ऑल, कि कब यूज़ होगा लाइफ में. बट आई टेल यू ईच थिंग मेरे लिए, एवरीथिंग. जो हम लोग स्कूल जाते थे वो हैवी बैग लेके, वी हैड like science textbook notebook, maths textbook notebook, Marathi textbook notebook, Hindi textbook notebook, English, कितने books होते थे. It was really heavy. फिर आप assembly line में आप खड़े रहते हो एकदम धूप में. That you get up in the morning. Before that I used to go for practice. I used to run 100 meters. So I used to get up at 5:45. We didn't have a car, so I used to go walking to Joggers Park with my mom. I used to race like a fast walk, तो warm up हो गया था. My point of saying that is कि आप इतनी सारी चीज़ें करते हो बचपन में. But that helps now because now I have to shoot in the sun. I have practiced. I've done that before in school. अगर grueling schedules है या आपको last minute में एक दूसरे language में dialogues दिए जाते हैं, तो I won't freak out as much because I've studied. तब मैं fluent नहीं थी मराठी में, but before the मराठी exam मैं एकदम रट्टा मारती थी and I used to cry and say ये कब use होगा life में, पर अब use हो रहा है बहुत.
तो कुछ fail नहीं होता life में, मतलब
I don't think anything. Learning all that geometry and everything, इतना आप अपने आप को वो you're giving yourself so much stress then, but then that now when you're exposed to stress, you probably don't get as stressed, if that makes sense.
Now, childhood से मेरा मतलब था कि कैसा आपका फैमिली इक्वेशन रहा, मतलब बचपन से बड़े होते फादर के साथ कैसा था?
वैसे I thought the stuff in childhood that you learned.
नहीं.
And it's exactly the same now, I think.
आप डांसर हो, आपको तो वैसे मल्टी टैलेंटेड हो आप बहुत ज़्यादा, मुझे पता आपके तो बहुत टैलेंट है, जो आपने बताया उससे भी ज़्यादा है ना?
नहीं,
ये
I
मुझे
think
मालूम है,
अभी
मतलब
सब
हाँ,
डिस्प्ले
वैसे
हो
वैसे
चुका।
कितने टैलेंट है आपके पास
मैं
ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज आप
I'll
डांस भी
tell
कर
you
लो।
एक टैलेंट जो किसी को पता नहीं है. I have the largest number of, अगर कोई अवार्ड है for the largest number of open browser tabs जो बंद
ओपन
नहीं.
ब्राउज़र टैब, अच्छा।
मेरा फोन हैंग हो चुका है. मेरे 2 फोन्स है और दोनों फोन्स में मैं बंद ही नहीं करती हूँ, बिकॉज ऐसे आई गो टू दिस लेटर एंड देन आई एम ओपनिंग समथिंग एल्स एंड देन आई से गो टू दिस लेटर, तो वो 99 के बाद एक डॉट डॉट और डी आता है, लाइक अ स्माइली फेस, तो वहाँ तक मतलब मेरा फोन हैंग हो रहा है पर मैं बंद नहीं करती हूँ उतने सारे. तो वो टैलेंट है मेरे पास. प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन का टैलेंट है. मैंने अपनी केरला स्टोरी की जस्ट पहले माई मॉम टोल्ड मी इफ यू डोंट क्लीन द कबर्ड नाउ ना लाइक यू विल हैव टू लीव द हाउस, तो मैंने अलग घर खरीद लिया. So, but no, but yeah, procrastination is something I can just postpone things. I have that.
Is it good to start early? वैसे सच में, वैसे अगर एक सवाल पूछा जाए,
I
सही है?
mean, आप इंडस्ट्री से नहीं हो तो yeah, if you can, it's good because
Some
then
people say that मतलब किसी से मिला था, वो एक्टर था कि I don't feel that जल्दी शुरुआत करने से भी कुछ फायदे हैं, ऐसा?
depends on each person. But now, yeah, after like 1920, if you see another, I did movies, I did Commando and all, and I'm very
I'm
grateful
aware,
and I give respect to all the South films and all that I've done. But now if you say like a Kerala story came 1920 के 104 साल बाद, like 104 साल बाद अगर आपको मौके मिल रहे हैं तो then it's so good to start little early, because then in Kerala story we had to play like I was a college girl in a portion of
right,
it.
right. I know.
So maybe if I didn't start early, it would be a little difficult to pull that off.
And how that role landed to you? वो जो आपने सबसे पहला रोल किया था?
So I had worked with Vipul sir on Commando. So he told me that there's this film, but he said Sudipto sir is directing it, so you should meet him.
No, I'm
and,
talking about the first one.
the
The
first-
1920 was the first, right?
1920 was an audition, and when I went to meet Vikram Bhatt, he thought that I didn't look the part because they were looking for a foreigner. Because
Oh,
Lisa, the
Lisa,
character
yeah,
का
yeah.
नाम
हाँ,
Lisa है,
हाँ.
जो एक English लड़की है. And मैं normally गई थी like this, and then
Because they were fair enough, that's why.
I went to meet now. I didn't know, and he said, "Oh, but we can probably work on something else." But then जब उन्होंने मुझे part बताया था, I thought, wow, okay, I really want to. And he said, "But you can audition." So I thought I'll give a really good audition. और वो जो scene था जहाँ मैं change होती हूँ, तो वो audition था, where I changed from the possessed one to the normal one. I say, मुझे please Arjun, मुझे बचा लो, please, and then I become the. So that was the audition. They liked the audition, तो उन्होंने look test किया, and I think वो lenses and that eyeliner और वो you know, the lips and the hair and everything. So then you'll have to ask them why they thought we'll just take her and not a foreigner. And they took me and they made it Lisa Singh Rathod when I marry him. But
So मैंने जितने भी आपके दोस्तों से बात किया ना, सब लोगों ने एक बात को तो अग्री किया कि wherever you go, you always look for the windows.
I look for windows.
Just to open it up. क्या है वो, कोई बैगेज?
कौन है ये दोस्त मेरे?
बैगेज है, कोई कुछ है जो ऐसा?
नहीं, I think I just feel a little stuffy in places maybe. I don't know what it is. मैंने इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, but I do.
Self
मेरे
introspection.
घर पे always windows open है and air is going in and out. I'm not used to being in
But
closed place.
वो तो आपका घर खुला है ना, किसी और का जाके सफोकेट थोड़ी
हाँ,
आता
तो
होगा.
मैंने ही उनको मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ सब. मैं बैठी हूँ ना यहाँ पे, सब बंद है, but then I have to be extra attentive, I think, जब I can be more relaxed and laid back when things are open. I don't know, it's not reason. But maybe it's some deep-rooted subconscious thing.
ऐसा लिफ्ट में बंद जाओगे आप तो फिर टेंशन में आ जाओगे.
हाँ, मैं अवॉइड करती हूँ, बट अगर जाना है तो जाना है ना. समवेयर 18th floor and all, I've got to meet someone, है पसीना लेके, I can't go. So then I go in the elevator. If I'm stuck, I don't know what will happen. Please let that not happen. तो मुझे वो elevators best लगते हैं, वो पुराने वाले. मेरे बिल्डिंग में वो दैट प्लीज क्लोज द डोर, कृपया दरवाजा बंद करा, प्लीज. वो मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं बिकॉज एटलीस्ट यू कैन सी. जो वो ऐसे सील्ड वाले होते हैं, या थिंकिंग अबाउट इट ओनली गिव्स मी
No, I'm not trying to get you there. मतलब I'm just
no, but and I've
I'm trying
chosen a
to understand,
profession. I've chosen a profession that puts me into closed small spaces.
How was the experience being at the Mahakumbh?
It was lovely. It was really lovely.
With growing age, obviously we more get inclined toward the spirituality. होता है ना, एज के साथ आपका आता भी है, आपके साथ पहले से था. एक एज से इंसान को लगता है कि यार बाहरी दुनिया से तो अंदर की दुनिया ज़्यादा बढ़िया है.
Maybe because लोग सब कुछ ट्राई करते हैं and then they realize कि किसी भी चीज़ में खुशी नहीं है, तो then you know, maybe when you're younger you think कि I'll be happy partying or something. मेरा ऑनेस्टली वैसे नहीं था. मुझे दुनिया में ढोकला और खोखलापन मुझे I used to see it from when I was young, so maybe I was always inclined.
Like, in what sense?
Like generally people, I can read minds, like properly. That's something I can do. I can read minds. I know what somebody is thinking when I'm looking at them. So then, if you know what people are thinking, and then you know what the world is. I can tell when I'm sitting with, It helps if I know the person a little more, but I can read exactly what people are thinking.
So what do you think about this conversation?
Oh, so I can see you've like almost believed me, and in your head you're thinking like, it's possible. If she's saying it, maybe, but you've not fully believed me unless you prove it to someone they don't. I've done it with people, but freaked them out. So I don't.
Really?
Of course, it freaks out somebody because they don't fully believe you. If I say I can read your mind, they're like, yeah, maybe, but I can, So I choose to not display that skill. But then when you can do that, then you know what the world is.
So one thing I see about the industry, because I often meet people, obviously podcasting में करते हैं. So sometimes मुझे जो फील होता है ना, जब मैं कहीं देखता भी हूँ, कभी कभार कहता है ऑन कैमरा लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट बहुत अच्छा बिहेव करते हैं, बट ऑफ कैमरा वैसे नहीं है. ये दिखता है आपको डिस्पैरिटी जो है?
वी से कि मुझे फेक लोग पसंद नहीं है. मुझे फेक लोग बहुत पसंद है. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अगर आप सपोज एक बहुत बुरे इंसान हो जो बहुत गालियाँ देते हो और आप एकदम बदतमीज़ हो, पर आप एक फेक फ्रंट रख के आप अच्छे तो बन रहे हो. नो प्रॉब्लम, आप अच्छे प्लीज़ बनो मेरे साथ. वो फेक है या रियल है, आई डोंट केयर. आप देन यूल बी बदतमीज़ एंड यूल से मैं रियल, इतना रियल हूँ और मैं गाली देता. आप मत दो, आप बिल्कुल फेक बनो. मुझे फेक लोग बहुत पसंद है. एकदम फेक आप बनो.
How are you going to find the companion for yourself someday if you have to find one?
Probably is genuinely.
But how you figure it out? जब आपको ऐसा लगेगा
I
यार
can
कुछ.
read minds ना.
अच्छा.
I'm saying but if I have to interact, जैसे आप सेट पे अगर हो और कोई बहुत गुस्से वाला इंसान है पर वो फेक फ्रंट लगा के रख रहा है कि वो अभी स्वीट और सुरीली बातें कर रहा है. आई डोंट माइंड. You be sweet. Fake, be fake. I love fake. But yeah, if I have a partner, I would prefer that you're not faking it. And how much can you fake something? You can't. ना थोड़े टाइम के लिए 2 मीटिंग्स के लिए या 2 डेट के लिए आप फेक कर सकते हो. उसके बाद आपका अंदरूनी शैतान बाहर निकल के आएगा. You can.
पर ऐसा कभी हुआ आपके साथ अपने लोगों के अंदर? अभी आपने बोला थोड़ी देर पहले कि यार बड़ी दुनिया बड़ी अलग सी है. ऐसा हुआ भी, एक एक्सपीरियंस भी ऐसा क्या?
नहीं, मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ पहले ही, तो आई नो who's what. So I don't need to go through the whole thing of, or if I get into something, I already know that this is, not right, but I've still gotten into it. वो भी किया है, but knowingly.
मैं खुद समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
No. Did that not make sense?
I'm a little scared what she's thinking about me now.
No, I'm still to talk, dude. I'm so sorry. See, that's what I think it makes people very self-conscious. So, no, I'll tell you what you should think. You should think कि ये heroines जो है कुछ भी बोल देती है.
हाँ, नहीं मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचता हूँ. So मुझे एक और चीज़ आपके बारे में पता है, बहुत मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि आप जानवरों से ही बात करिए. उनकी साइकोलॉजी आपको समझ लेते हो.
सी, जानवरों का क्या है ना, वो बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है और जो है सो है, जो है वो मुँह पे है. अगर आप बनी रैबिट बने हो और आप ऐसे क्यूट बने हो, आप क्यूट हो. अगर आप शेर बने हो तो आपको मूड है. अगर आपको भूख है तो आप मुझे खा लोगे. पर अगर आप बकरी हो और मैं करके मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो आप बात करते हो. अगर आप आई डोंट नो. सो एनिमल्स के साथ वो है, वो बहुत ऑन द फेस है. एंड इंसानों का कुछ लोगों का है कि जो बहुत सारे लोगों का जो है वो शायद नहीं है. आई मीन आप एक्चुअली शेर हो पर आप बनी रैबिट बन के आप बने हो और आप मेरे सामने हो, तो मुझे लगता है यू विल बी लाइक हेलो बनी रैबिट और आप मुझे खा लोगे. तो वैसे नहीं है. तो जानवरों का इजी है. तो अगर आप शेर हैं आप मुझे खा लोगे.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपको ऐसी बात लग रहा है आपको देख के, है ना?
नहीं, सबको है आई थिंक. एंड आई एम नॉट परफेक्ट. मैं भी ऐसे ही हूँ ना. हम लोग सब इंसान हैं. हम लोग सब. मैं ऑफ कोर्स है. मैं अभी भी कहाँ, मैं घर पे बैठ के अपने हेयर स्ट्रेटन करके तो नहीं बैठते हो. इनको पता है मैं घर पे कैसे रहती हूँ. तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं बना के आई मीन जितना मैं ऑथेंटिक सेल्फ बन के बात कर रही हूँ वो जितना रियल है. पर आई डोंट लुक लाइक दिस इन माई हाउस. आई डोंट गेट अप एंड लुक लाइक दिस इन द मॉर्निंग. माई हेयर इज टाइड अप एंड आई एम वॉकिंग अराउंड लाइक सो. तो हम लोग सब
वैसे मतलब कैसे आप उनकी साइकोलॉजी को समझते हो, मैं ये भी जानना चाहूँगा, कैसे समझते हो मतलब?
बिकॉज स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है, जो भी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है, इंसान भी अगर आप किसी से मिलो और वो डायरेक्ट और स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है, आप एकदम समझ लोगे इमीडिएटली।
आपने पाले हैं वैसे जानवर, कोई क्या क्या पाला है आपने वैसे?
मैं पालती नहीं हूँ
पालती
बिकॉज
नहीं
मैं
आप?
बहुत प्यार करती हूँ उनसे, एंड आई थिंक किसी भी
फ्रीडम यू
या व्हेन यू लव समवन यू डोंट वांट टू केज देम नो। अगर आप किसी से प्यार करते हो, आप उनको पिंजरे में, जेल में नहीं रखोगे, घर पे एक छोटी सी जेल में मैं खाना दूंगी पर आप जेल में रहो, मैं सब करूंगी, पर दैट्स नॉट फेयर।
और अगर आपको ऐसे लोग मिले जस्टिफिकेशन देते हैं कि यार मीट तो खाना चाहिए, सब कुछ सही है, जानवर क्या है भाई, वो तो
नहीं,
शायद-
दे ऑल्सो नो द ट्रूथ। आई थिंक सबको सब पता है नाउडेज, जिसको खाना है वो टेस्ट के लिए एक्सक्यूजेस
बट
बना के
मिलते तो होंगे
खाता है।
आपको, आप मिलते होंगे ना, लोग नहीं बताते होंगे यार क्या बात कर रही है।
हाँ,
हाँ
and nowadays it's, see, now if I say a comment like on this also, and I say ki, you know, you should be vegan, you should not harass animals, and there's so much cruelty, and दुनिया में इतनी suffering है because we are oppressing other life forms. वो suffering आके वापस, that's why human kind is suffering. हम लोग exploit कर रहे हैं nature को, हम लोग exploit कर रहे हैं हर चीज़ को. We are glorifying
बट लोग ऐसा तो बोलते
overconsumption
हैं,
of
अरे शेर
clothes.
तो यार, शेर कौन सा घास खा लेगा, शेर तो जानवर ही खाएगा ऐसे।
That's what ना, but आप शेर थे हो, आपसे वो
आप-
शेर की acting like I was saying. तो लोग बोलेंगे, but everybody knows. It's just cooler to also say that, you know, I don't care. I just, you know, eat. Non-veg is good, and I need my six-pack, and for that I need to eat.
But you must be meeting a lot of cooler people.
Lot of
often,
cooler
हाँ,
people.
हाँ.
Yeah, I do, but
How-
I
how
think
you- how you
everyone
make-
knows my
हाँ,
views on.
अच्छा.
I think I've been very vocal about it, even on the
तो फिर
thing
तो आपने
of being.
डिस्टेंस कर लेंगे, वो डिस्टेंस बना लेंगे थोड़ा सा।
नहीं, मैं डिस्टेंस की बात नहीं है. I don't really. There's, you know what's right and wrong. Everybody knows. It's not that they don't. It's either laziness or I don't know, just for your taste buds, for those 2 seconds on your taste buds, which is going to come out as
Yeah, I'm a
eat that
vegetarian, so I can
tomorrow.
understand. I'm a vegetarian, so I can understand.
Well done.
हाँ.
So yeah, there's only so much you can do. I just hope, and I know that you know, by telling somebody something, no one's going to listen. Even to me, if you tell me कुछ भी, do this, हम लोग कहाँ सुनते हैं किसी की बात? You know, you want to follow someone जब वो एक ऐसा example set करे that you look at it and you say, wow, I want to be like that. So I hope that way I can inspire people. I don't know if sermons or lectures will help, and if I tell someone आपको नहीं खाना चाहिए, बहुत बुरा है सेहत के लिए.
अच्छा, आजकल तो काफ़ी ऐसा जनरेशन के साथ मैंने देखा है, दे ट्राई टू हाइड फीलिंग्स समवेयर, है ना? यू गॉट अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल, आप लोगों से मिलते ही बहुत अच्छे से हो, तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कहीं कि स्माइल के पीछे बहुत पेनफुल वाला थॉट प्रोसेस भी चल रहा है, बट ठीक है, स्टिल मैनेज टू बी। मैंने सुना है बहुत खुश और स्माइल करते हैं, वो बहुत इमोशनल और कहीं ना कहीं वीकर एंड होता है उनका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग।
So everyone asked me the Filmfare award why you didn't get for Best Actress for Kerala. वो नहीं पता मुझे, but if there is an award for the person who can hide the maximum amount of sorrow convincingly behind a smile, I think hands down that award would go to me.
But I still want to
If
explore
there's
that
no
one.
other star
If you're
kid in
okay
that
to share,
category.
if you're okay to share out.
No, I think
When you feel very emotional, what kind of?
no, we are all emotional beings, and
नहीं, कुछ लोग तो
emotion
बड़े
is
tough भी है, ऐसा नहीं है।
tough is also an emotion. Emotional is not like मुझे रोना है मैं emotional. Emotional is not just that. Emotional is anger. Everything's an emotion. No, emotion is love. If you can fall in love very easily, that is an emotion. Emotion is joy. Joy is also an emotion. If I say I'm so happy, that doesn't mean I'm not an emotional person. No, I'm feeling joy. खुशी भी एक emotion ही है. दुख किसी और के लिए feel करना वो भी emotional है. I go through like a lot. If I've seen someone or an animal or a human go through something that's really painful, I feel like I'm going through it all myself. You know, that's also very weak if you're not able to
Grab.
keep
keep
this thing
हाँ.
on yourself. So emotional, yeah, but I think I definitely have that.
मैं वही जानना चाहता हूँ, आपका
I
इमोशनल
think I
साइड कब
have
आता है?
that.
आपका इमोशनल साइड कब आता है?
You mean the sad wala emotional side? See, it will come in leaps and bounds. But what you see, say on Instagram or on social media, it's not that it's not real. वो real है, एकदम real है. But when I'm sad or crying, I don't remember to remove my phone and take a video of it. Usually, when do I take videos or photos? When my team and me are having fun, or like BTS on the set or something. I don't know. When we are just walking around, I see a mountain, I see a bird, like, you know. But if I'm actually down in the dumps, that's not the time I think I will take my phone out to take a video of this. I forget कि मेरे पास phone ही है, मैं भूल जाती हूँ. Like if someone is, when my dad passed away, we forgot to eat for 2 days and we were not hungry because you forget, yeah. You don't realize time flies when something like really bad has happened, I don't know, मेरी भूख चली जाती है या तो phone है वो भी याद नहीं रहता. So maybe just that. But otherwise,
Because I was not
no.
aware that you lost your dad. When
I did. I think now it's been 8 years.
you guys were very close, very very close.
I'm the only child, so that way, yeah. But yeah, I didn't. It didn't register for like a few years after. But
See, losing a parent is
yeah, but so that's another thing with me in real life. My screen pe I can generate tears and all, which I really like to write, really cry and all. But in real life, if I'm sad, I can't cry. I cannot cry. I only cry when I'm frustrated about something. Then I cry like that if I'm frustrated. But if I'm sad, I just can't cry because then I'm just thinking of the gravity of the situation of being like, oh my God, I'm so sad. And then I don't get any tears. I sometimes laugh when I'm sad.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
It's yeah. So my emotions might be a little fluid. One runs into the other. जैसे कोई बहुत emotional scene अगर करना है, so I don't know. I like to be as free. It's not that I joke or something, but if the director understands me well or something and we're just keeping a light mood on the set, I kind of prefer that than being in a heavy mood before a crying scene. I sometimes laugh like a lot. It's really odd. It's weird.
I'm very surprised.
It's very weird. It's like agar koi energetic
You are
dance.
my out of the box guest so far.
Really? Oh, no, I don't mean this as an out of the box thing. I don't know if it'll make
Out of the box
sense.
means, see, it's that I am putting my energy to understand.
Oh,
And it's good that I met some, because all people were like little same in somehow.
okay. No, I think we're all the same. It's just that we all find our ways of what we're comfortable with. And agar suppose koi crying scene hai, I like to give my all to it. So then if I give my all day, like पूरे दिन में अगर sad रहती हूँ, तो जब वो scene आता है तो फिर मैं अदा जैसे sad होने वाली हूँ, और अदा तो sad जब भी होती है वो रोती नहीं है. Problem होगा. So I try to be Ada, and then when that scene comes, I try to be the character, and then I try to feel all those feelings, which might be very unhealthy for my entire immune system, but now I do that. And then...
And what are those feelings?
Whatever the character is feeling then. I don't know if I'm taken by ISIS and I'm sitting in front
But
of
a lot
her
of people
now.
say they get inspiration from the past events. जब कोई
In real life?
जब कोई मतलब कोई action scene होता है तो they always try to recollect the memory जब ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो.
पर मैंने ऐसी फिल्में की है जहाँ पे मेरे रियल लाइफ में नहीं हुआ हो, मेरे अंदर भूत
हमेशा तो नहीं हो
नहीं,
सकता, हमेशा तो नहीं होता.
भूत आया मेरे अंदर तो वो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है. तो मैंने जो वीडियोस देखे दूसरे लोगों का जहाँ पे उनके अंदर भूत आया था, या आई एम ट्राइंग टू इमेजिन. हमारी इमेजिनेशन इतनी फर्टाइल है. I think if we just keep it to my real life, it'll be so limited.
So I've seen the 1920s. It was a very honest approach to the character. जब कैरेक्टर आप ऐसा करते हो तो क्या कुछ चीज़ आपके साथ रह भी जाती है? आप डराते तो नहीं ना लोगों को?
मैं ओनली डराती हूँ लोगों को.
तभी आज की मतलब क्या होता है कि कभी कैरेक्टर भी आपके साथ रह जाता है. कुछ कैरेक्टर मतलब ये थोड़ी आप बदल जाओगे, बट कहीं ना कहीं आपके साइकोलॉजी में उसकी हाँ तो वो ऐसा है.
हर कैरेक्टर के साथ 1920 भी, हाँ ऑफ कोर्स केरला स्टोरी भी. इफ यू आर गोना रीड ऑल दोस स्टोरीज अबाउट दोस गर्ल्स, यू आर गोना मीट वो लड़कियों से आई हैव मेट दोस गर्ल्स. वो लोग अपनी स्टोरी बता रहे हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स मुझे तो I can't leave and I don't want it to leave. वो तो scars होने चाहिए ना. How can I just be like I've forgotten her story? What kind of person am I if I forget that? मैं हर it's a heavy thing to keep, but I can't lose it. And वो जाएगा भी नहीं. कैसे? Even Bastar when we were doing, I met those girls जो वो जंगल्स में थे, and they told me how you have to sometimes stand behind a tree holding that gun. मेरा तो, and I think of myself as a strong person with a strong back. My back had gotten because I was wearing the rifle, carrying the rifle, and heavy है वो. तो वो लड़कियाँ, you know, trees के पीछे कभी 6 घंटे के लिए you have to just stand like this. I couldn't hold that gun for 6 minutes, the rifle. So, of course, every time I look at a gun, I'll think of that girl's story. Every time I, you know, think of that, I think of, she told me she saw 80 dead bodies right in front of her, blown into bits. How can I forget that? And how can that not affect?
Even Sudipto sir said कि उनकी sister भी शायद was a part of the, you see.
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes, I went with him only. We went and we actually met, and I can't even tell you, like, so then my sorrow in real life, what have I faced? I'm so privileged. We come from a place where I can freely walk on the roads. We come from a place where...
There are not many stories in the
so
world.
much when
but
you meet them. So I like to keep the character to those...
Yeah, I like to travel local. So I always come across with such stories. So I know. How you see life, by the way, because आपके नजरिए जानना चाहता हूँ. आपके लेंस जो है ना उससे जानना. How you see life.
How I see life means that's a very broad way of asking. You see it from your own eyes on the situation that you are, I think. I see it from a place of
your approach, I'm asking.
I see it from a place of extreme privilege and gratitude, especially right now. I have everything that I could ever have dreamed of and more.
When you say gratitude, मतलब आप रहते हो इतना फील करते हो, वैसे लोग तो आजकल भूल गए हैं वो करना भी.
मैं कितनी बदतमीज हूँ अगर मैं gratitude अब फील नहीं करूँ. आई एम professionally, like last year we had Kerala Story, Bastar, Sunflower and Rita Sanyal, and I got to do Sunflower after Kerala Story. I think that's such a huge privilege to be able to play a bar dancer after you've played.
बट लोग तो कहते हैं मुझे अभी और बड़ा कैरेक्टर नहीं मिला, और बड़ा कैरेक्टर नहीं मिला, मैं तो बहुत रोतू लोगों से मिलता रहता हूँ तो लाइफ में. और फिर बोलते नो वी प्रैक्टिस ग्रैटिट्यूड. यार मैं बोलता हूँ फिर आपका और क्या करना है, बोले अरे मुझे यार वो रोल मिलता तो बहुत मजा आता. हाउ कैन ग्रैटिट्यूड फंक्शन? बिकॉज यू हैव टू बी ऑब्वियसली तो we have to be thankful.
No, I think that is also, that comes from a place of ambition, and maybe that's a good thing also.
not a bad thing.
जहाँ पे है.
But
it depends how you function. I had always wanted a part, and I think the audience also really wanted it for me, especially, and they've been waiting since like 1920 to have an author back part जहाँ पे, you know, people have seen movies of mine and felt like I was wasted in it. My mom has also seen movies, and you know, you feel like this person can do so much, but has not been given. I'm only talking professionally. So when I got something like Kerala Story, and it's like what it's done, you know, commercially, what it's done financially, and then it's touched like so many people's hearts. I meet people who tear up at the airport and meet me and tell me this scene, that scene. How can I not be grateful for that? And I'm very grateful for a lot of things. I ate dosa at home today, and they made this millet dosa that was so tasty, and my mom put beetroot in it, and I said, I'm so lucky. Tanya, you had that one, no? Yeah, it was the tastiest dosa ever, and it had beetroot in it, and I was like, I'm so lucky I get to eat such nice food.
So I met this girl, I will not name, though she was a Miss India, I think she was a runner-up, or I think the girl, and I asked her the same question, how you see gratitude? And I see that all my life, I see my life through, when I look back into my past, कि अपनी सक्सेस को समझने के लिए आपको पास्ट देखना बहुत है. फ्यूचर देख के लोग समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि कल मैं वहाँ होऊंगा, तो पास्ट देख के आपको समझ में आता है कहाँ मैं आ गया हूँ. तो देन यू विल फिगर आउट कि अब अगर काम भी नहीं है ना, बट जितना कर गया वो भी मेरे नसीब का था नहीं.
एब्सोल्युटली. कितने लोग आते हैं विद ड्रीम्स, कितनी लड़कियां हैं फिर से. ओके, एंड आजकल you know, like everyone is beautiful. Okay, I have not seen anyone who looks even mediocre. I see all the girls nowadays, everyone has the best hair, the best face, the most beautiful eyes, the perfect smiles, their teeth are all flawless, their bodies are beautiful, and everybody acts, you know, everyone's working on their acting, their action, their dance, and then I feel that I got these opportunities, like, so I think of it like that. जो मिला है वो बहुत. And I know my set of social skills. I know my set of being able to interact with people, and that's almost zero. It's not my strong point in an industry where people say that's what you have to do and network and all. Mine is zero. When I say zero, it's really below par. So I think Kerala Story taught me you can, you know, stay in your own lane and do your own thing, and जब मिलना है तो मिल जाएगा. But with all these people who come with their dreams, 99% of whose dreams don't come true, right?
Even Sudipto sir is making a new film ना, उन्होंने बताया मुझे कि वो film उनकी इसी पे ही है.
Which one has he told you about? Tell me, because I shouldn't tell you the one that he's not told you. I don't know.
This film he's making, he's not revealed the full thing.
Okay.
Where this survey he has done for all the girls who come here for to be an actress, or how I think very few can make into this industry well. So जो आपकी बात में समझ पा रहा हूँ कि मतलब वहीं के लिए तो थैंकफुल होना है, उसी क्वेश्चन मार्क को थैंकफुल होना है कि हाँ.
Absolutely. I mean,
जब उन्होंने मुझे आंकड़े बताए ना तो मुझे विश्वास नहीं होगा कि इतने लोग बॉम्बे आते हैं.
हाँ, so a lot of people come with dreams of becoming the lead in a movie, right? You don't come thinking I'll play a character. No one comes with that dream.
कोई दोस्त का भाई बनने नहीं आता, हीरो का भाई बनने नहीं.
हाँ, you want to be the main hero in a movie. You want to headline a project. You want to be the lead heroine. You want to be in the big project. Why? Because everyone will watch that big project. You don't want to just do a project.
अच्छा, जैसे अभी हम सोशल मीडिया की बात भी करते हैं, अब तो सोशल मीडिया का इतना इन्फ्लुएंस हो गया लोगों के ऊपर, आपकी लाइफ भी बड़ी उस पर डिपेंड करती है. लोग कितना ग्लैमरस, कितना अपना हैप्पी साइड दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं. हाउ यू फील अबाउट इट? लॉट ऑफ पीपल ओनली पुट द पॉजिटिव पार्ट ऑफ देयर पर्सनैलिटी, अदरवाइज जो नेगेटिव पार्ट है, जैसे आप बोल रहे रोते होते कौन फोटो डालता है.
बट आई एक्चुअली फील कि इंस्टाग्राम पे आप एक minute. I mean, you're seeing these videos. I would rather only look at happy things, no? Though I've seen a lot of people nowadays who share.
Emotional side also.
I've seen girls who share crying pictures and all, and to each their own. I told you, I forget I have a phone when I'm crying. I don't remember I have a phone. I don't remember I have a nervous system. I don't remember I have a digestive system when I'm sad. I don't remember sometimes I forget to breathe when I'm sad. I'm sitting and after I've forgotten to breathe. So I don't remember I have a phone. But if you, whatever works for you, like I follow this girl who shares one positive video a day about anything. And I have a smile when I see her videos. And we're on social media so much of our time is gone there. So अगर आप किसी को, I don't know if you can make it light and even show someone something random and they've just chuckled about it. For me, that is what it is. It's
what kind of video she share? Because मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आप किस चीज़ से खुशी आती है आपके चेहरे पे वैसे.
There's one guy called Puppet something. He's a ventriloquist and he's very good. Puppet Jack. Jack Puppet.
I don't know, but I know what they do.
Damn, I can't believe, and I've seen all his videos. I'm so bad. But I'll send you his, and he's amazing. So I smile. This girl also, who I said, she shares one positive video a day about like some cat who was rescued, but she makes it very humorous and how that cat adopted this woman instead of saying the woman adopted her and stuff like that. I watch beatboxing videos.
You also do beatboxing also.
I don't do beatboxing. I like to watch what people do.
Will you try doing it, na?
Not really. I've not tried.
I've seen some. You rapping also.
Yeah, some rap. That's just for fun, huh? But yeah, I love watching people beatboxing, singing, dancing, those kind of things. And then whether you like it or not, those paid PR videos come about some heroine who's eaten 100 heroines and become a cannibal. Okay, and the national crush is changing every day. So those come whether you
bullshit
like it or not. I don't know. We are saying it's bullshit, but it might have worked for someone who is to decide what is.
No, there was a journalist who was saying the bullshit this thing.
The journalist is saying that because she knows about this actress. Otherwise, you'd not be talking about this actress. Why this actress is in conversation is because you've seen her videos and she may have signed 4 big movies because those videos were on top of mind. So I don't think we are anyone.
It will work for.
It might work for some. It might not work for some. You can decide what works for you. Like for me, after Kerala, people told me keep a PR and have this out. For me, I thought like Kerala say I got so much publicity, good, bad, ugly. Very, very good. And people were making stuff for me without having to do that. I could have upped it and, it's just a paid thing. You pay a certain amount of money and you can declare yourself whatever title you wish to. I don't think that will work for me.
Kyun?
So, I don't think it's something that will work for me because it won't give me joy. And then I'll start cringing about it and being unhappy, which will then reflect in my performances later. And then I will be morose and then I'll be sad, and when I'm sad, nothing good happens in my life. So I don't think I should do things that don't make me happy, whatever that is. So I didn't think that was a good idea for me.
In Bombay also I've seen a lot of people dealing with this. आज नया एक term मैंने सुनाई दिया मेरे लाइफ में तो फिलहाल इतना नहीं आया नहीं है, इतना बैलेंस आउट हुआ नहीं है. जैसे लोग कहते हैं बड़ा मेंटल हेल्थ है, ये है वो है. ऐसा बॉम्बे में इतना क्यों है? लोगों से बात करो तो बोलते हैं कि मेंटल हेल्थ से बड़ी डीलिंग चल रही है. ये ऐसा बड़ा लोनली प्लेस है क्या ऐसा?
Lonely place is your mind, na. I think wherever you are, you can be in Mumbai or Manhattan if you are.
कैसे इतना क्यों आ रहा है लोगों के बीच अभी?
Because maybe लोग बात कर रहे हैं about mental health. It was not a thing before that you even speak about mental health, and maybe now you do. To have good mental health is good.
Is it good to talk about it? Come out that I have.
Again, it depends what works for you. For some people, talking about it a lot might help. For some people, doing something else to distract it or to take it away might help. It's a per person thing. I don't think there's a general statement one can make. It's like PR. It's like how much PR you want to do when. I think mental health is, they can be equated as the same thing. But good mental health is very important for everyone. That is a sweeping statement I can make. Because if your mental health is good, you'd be more productive. You'd be at whatever you do, whatever your job is, whether you're an actor or a farmer or whatever your profession is.
How inclined you are as a spiritual person? मैंने आपको एक वीडियो देखा था, आप रैप कर रहे थे, है ना? तो मैं वो जाना था आप कैसे लेते हो? हर किसी का अपना स्टाइल होता है, उसको समझने का अपना तरीका होता है. आपका तरीका क्या है?
I think spirituality is very cool, and I've always thought that. I know nowadays it's like if somebody says, I do drugs, but just twice a week, or I drink only on weekends, that's cool. But if you say, are you religious? They'll be like, no, religious? I'm not religious. I'm not religious at all. I'm spiritual, but I'm not religious. But if that same person, say the person who's closest to you, if it's your family, I don't know, whoever your person is, whether it's your mom or your dad or your lover or the person who you're having an affair with outside of your lover or your child or your sister or whoever, if that person was trapped in a burning building, are you going to say, please God save that person, please God save that person? I think that makes you religious, because then you want God. But for me, I think of the higher power when I'm happy, sad. I don't just go to it when I want something.
Not for the exchange.
Yeah, it's
good
not
change.
a barter thing of
Lot
you
of people
give
are
me
doing the
this
same,
and yeah. So I'm religious and spiritual and all of it. It's one for me. It's not a separate thing. But I've noticed it's not a very cool thing to, if you say you're a religious person. I know it's not a very cool thing to say, but अभी जो
हाँ
है
मतलब
वो
अभी आप लंबा टीका लगा तो मैं भी बोलता हूँ अरे यार ये टीका लगेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा, कैमरे पे लगेगा.
हाँ, probably, but now that is, I put on bindi. हाँ, it's
बिंदी
still
है,
there. No, I was seeing other sweats, sometimes I take it off. But no, I think what you are, you should wear on your sleeve. And I just am and I've always been like that. Maybe people have noticed it more because like after Kerala story, I used to anyway put like a video, but I think that Shivatandav is that video that people watched a lot after Kerala story. Maybe that's why. And then
Are you Shiv Bhakt?
I am.
हाँ क्यों? But
I always have been. I find a certain, I don't know, it's very difficult to put into words. It's like love, no? It's like asking you, why do you love her? It's very difficult sometimes to put into words. If you ask me why you love somebody, it's not because I like his hair or I like his muscles. There must be somebody with better muscles and better hair. There must be someone with a sweeter smile. But why do I like this person? It's exactly like love. There's no logical reason that I can say because of this gives me.
किसी ने मुझे बोला था ऐसे कि वो बड़ी शिव भक्त है, बहुत बड़ी शिव भक्त है. अब बड़ा तो नहीं बताते, वो तो अपना अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. तो उन्होंने बोला था करोड़ों की भीड़ में भी आपको अलग समझ में आता है इंसान. वो अगर अलग समझ में आता है कि शिव भक्त है, थोड़ा सा अलग होगा वो इंसान, वो इतनी केयर फ्री होगा, इतना चीजों को सोचेगा नहीं.
अच्छा वैसे.
हाँ ऐसा है.
और दूसरों को बताना पड़ेगा ना, मैं अपने बारे में कैसे बताऊं? आई विल थिंक
आप अलग तो हो. देखो
हम जो अपने आप के बारे में सोचते हैं शायद दूसरे लोग नहीं सोचते हैं. दे माइट बी, एंड जो आप मेरे बारे में सोचते हो या ये मेरे बारे में सोचते हैं वो अलग होगा. एंड जो मैं अपने बारे में सोचती हूँ वो अलग होगा. जो मैं अपने बारे में आज सोचती हूँ और जो मैं अपने बारे में कल सोचूंगी वो भी अलग होगा. जो मेरी मम्मी मेरे बारे में सोचती है वो बहुत अलग है. यू थिंक आई एम वेरी कूल, माय मॉम माइट नॉट थिंक of the same thing that you do. या मैं किसी को अभी I don't know, everyone will have a different सोच. तो maybe we can accumulate the majority of what everyone thinks.
जब भी भोलेनाथ का बात आती है तो मैं जानना, मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है बात करना. ऐसा वैसे बताओ, मुझे अच्छा लगता है बात
जी
करना.
मुझे भी.
तो मैं
But
वही
it's that only, ना, see, I can make flowery words और मैं articulate होके I can put it into this thing that sounds very poetic and romantic, but it's exactly like love. If you ask me कि जब प्यार किसी से करते हैं तो there's no reason कि only because that quality आप चुन के थोड़ी ना टिक मार्क I don't know सोचते हैं लोग कि करे, बट नहीं होता है ना. जब प्यार होता है तो हो ही जाता है. sometimes it's so I think शिव जी के साथ मेरा exactly वो है. there's no reason or logic, just ये है.
but ये लॉजिक तो है ना कि why only शिव भक्त not.
No, मैं देवी की भी हूँ, मैं गणेश जी की भी हूँ, ऐसे नहीं है. ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं है. बट शिव जी के साथ कनेक्शन
देखो फिर आपने बोला ना,
इट्स माय एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ लव. आप क्यों प्यार करते हो? एटलीस्ट माय लव इन रियल लाइफ हैपेंस लाइक दैट, बिना रीजन का.
चलो कुछ तो बता.
I don't my friends who have told you stuff about me. No, I don't know how to check mark, and I might have a list of things, but
क्या कुछ ऐसा हुआ है लाइफ में क्या आपको लगा आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टुवर्ड गॉड? कुछ लोग तब याद करते थे कुछ ऐसा लाइफ में.
Oh my God, my hands and legs are moving right now. I'm breathing fine. My brain is.
जैसे कभी कोई लाइफ में सिचुएशन आती है ना कि आपको कोई निकाल सकता है, बट ऊपर वाला ऐसा आपको निकाल के लाता है उस चीज से.
रोज ना, मैं जब भी चलती हूँ रास्ते पे, I could have gotten killed by a bus. I could have fallen in a pit or a ditch. I don't know. The ceiling could have fallen on my head. कुछ भी हो सकता है at all times. I could be dead when I leave here, and I'm just alive. I think just being alive daily is we have to be very thankful to.
अच्छा मान लो आपको बहुत साल तक काम नहीं मिला तो फिर क्या करोगे आप?
प्रैक्टिस है मुझे उस चीज में.
मतलब किसी ने मुझे कहा था कि फेम आने के बाद में उसका जाने का डर बहुत रहता है, सबसे बड़ा फियर लोगों का ये रहता है फेम आ तो गया।
Fame, I don't know, but वो काम नहीं मिलना, that was my thing.
पार्ट ऑफ फेम
Fame, I
होता है
was
वंस
not.
यू वर्क वेरी वेल, तो उसके बाद आपका फेम तो ऑब्वियसली
But
बाय
that
प्रोडक्ट
was,
की तरह
I was
आता है,
in one film. I had done one film.
बट
So,
इट डिड रियली वेल ना।
but also nobody knew me as Ada then. ना सबको लगता था मैं लीजा हूँ. So when I used to go like in a mall, जो भी आप हो ना, they used to be like, hey 1920 Lisa. जो मुझे बहुत खुशी, I was happy. If you remember me as my character, I think एक actor के लिए और क्या चाहिए? It's very cool. But I'm not thought fame चला जाना and all was not the thing. I was like, but इतना काम करना है. I want to do so many genres. I want to do so much more, and then वो जब नहीं मिलता. But then now when you look at it in hindsight and think about it, शायद I was privileged enough to be exposed to emotions of highs and lows. तो अब मैं sunflower कर सकती हूँ, जहाँ मैं रो सकती हूँ और हंस सकती हूँ एक सेकंड में. People से कैसे किया, but I have practiced ना 10 साल के लिए. If you practice that, then maybe all that helps. Because real life में कहाँ ना, we are so protected. And but the emotions that's right. If you want those emotions, join the film industry. Free classes.
सो मतलब फिर भी मुझे ऐसा लगा आप घूमते फिरते महाकुंभ गए, कुछ रीजन था इसके पीछे मुझे
मैं घूमती फिरती कहाँ?
महाकुंभ गए ऐसे या फिर कुछ था?
No, I was called by them to perform Shiva Tandav. So I opened over there and I got to perform. I think I'm very fortunate to perform on stage in front of so many people who were there with, you know, वो भक्ति के भाव में इतने सारे लोग आए, उनके सामने अगर आप you know, chant कर रहे हो. So
what is the interesting project which is going to come up and we can see?
there's lots
क्या
of
बोल छुपा
stuff.
रहे हो आप? मैं भी बोल रहे थे मैं कितना बता पाऊँ कितना नहीं बता पाऊँ बताते हो फिर भी
नहीं,
which is-
not बता नहीं पाऊंगी, but now I think after Kerala I'm enjoying that whole thing of कि trailer आया जाए and I say कि ये है and people say कि you didn't tell me you're shooting this, and I did that with Sunflower, yeah, Rita Sanyal also. I didn't tell anyone I was doing it till it came.
बस
I
which is
think
going to come very soon, वो तो बता सकते हैं ना?
oh, there's one that's announced. So then it's called Tumko Meri Kasam. It's a romantic film, but it's also a biopic on Ajay Murdia, who got IVF here. So Anupam Kher is playing Ajay Murdia. His younger version is played by Ishwak, and I'm his wife.
Oh yeah,
So,
yeah. Ishwak told me about this thing. Okay.
So yes, so I'm playing a sweet loving wife for the first time. I've not played a sweet loving wife.
फिर तो आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, आप तो अभी वैसे भी बहुत जॉली इंसान हो, तो चलिए.
मैं बहुत sweet और loving हूँ. No, it's not jolly. It's I can't give out what the movie has, the thing of it, but it's about love, it's about pain, it's about death and life and a lot of profound things in the middle.
You are a strong believer of manifesting, है ना?
We all are. We need something to believe in as humans, and I think it's good to put your faith in, because then you feel you have control. We don't want to have no control over things. That's the thing that gives us stress. Na? If I say, jo bhi hoga, we don't know what's going to happen. You might leave this door and die. You don't like that. So we try to put our faith into a higher power, into God, into manifestation. And when we have manifestation, it seems like something we can control. So if I say, I think good things, good will happen. So it's a good thing. Like I said, if you keep your mind in a positive place, your immune system is good. आप कम बीमार पड़ोगे, आप खुश रहोगे, pimples कम आएंगे, आप खूबसूरत लगोगे, आप and then you can have some purpose to life. You can have some sort of systematic discipline, which will help you form the basis of your life. Which, when you get opportunities in whatever your career are, you'll be able to shine.
My last question is very interesting. I want you to answer it very nice.
I'm being very nice
नहीं,
and
नहीं,
candid.
बहुत raw,
Honestly,
अच्छा
हाँ.
बहुत अच्छा रॉ, मुझे मजा आ रहा है आपसे बात करके, तभी तो और बात करनी है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि लोग ना आज के डेट में बहुत मैं है लोगों में, बहुत मैं है लोगों में कि मैं इतना ऊपर आ गया हूँ, मैंने ये कर लिया है, ये अचीव हो गया है. बट मुझे लगता है लाइफ में ना अपने आप को इतना सीरियसली लेना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि वी आर वेरी टेम्पररी पीपल हियर. आपका मैं सब रह जाता है ना, बहुत टेम्पररी है. हाउ यू अप्रोच योर अप्रोच टू दिस?
Again, you want to have a smashing of your ego, like a tennis match. Come join the film industry, I think.
नहीं, बट वैसे बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसा है मतलब फिर भी यार फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मिलता है, लोग बहुत ईगो आ जाता है कि हाँ यार कर रहे हैं, बढ़िया
So
चल
there
रहा
are
है.
two ways that it can go. Success and failure can both, I think. अगर आप बहुत successful हो तो you notice it can either get fully into your head and you can say or you can think that I got to do that. I got a chance to be this person. या बहुत failure है तो I've seen a lot of failure. People who encountered a lot of failure also become bitter and negative.
Yeah, but
That makes you sometimes worse than, because sometimes when you're successful, you get a little more grateful and positive maybe, and failure sometimes can even make you more negative, or it makes you I don't know. So it depends on a person to person.
आपको failure क्या बनाता है वैसे?
Like I said, na, मैं बहुत young थी when I had started, so I'm going to count nothing as वैसे failure. I would like to think everything. Like I said, now I use those emotions, and how can I say it's a failure when I got to start off with 1920? But I
Not
understand.
failure, gap I am talking about.
The gap for me that time, that was failure only. No, I'm a young girl. I
Right,
think
right, right.
what's happening. That's why. So I think it. My self confidence got, and I would like to believe I'm a very confident person, confident in my own skin. My confidence was like totally wiped out, and I thought anything that anyone told me to do, I thought that was the right thing to do. Of course, you have your certain things that I won't do this, I won't do that, but things like silly things like make your eyebrows thin, or don't be funny in an interview. Talk like this actress has because she's successful, because she's done this, or wear these kind of clothes because everyone is wearing, and then that's the only way to be. And then like when you have then I got like Kerala Story, which also, that, like I told you, it also taught me you want to wear grass chappal, wear grass chappal. It's okay. That has nothing to do with someone giving you the movie and not giving you the movie. They'll give you and you'll wear heels in the movie if they want you to wear heels. But in real life, you can do what you want and be what you want. So maybe that, but totally it had wiped out I think failure does mess around. I can't say I stood strong,
हो ही सकता है ऐसा.
bearing the torch and all failure, and my head raised high. Not at all. It was miserable. But I tried to not make the lives of people around me miserable. I tried, but I'm sure at home I was roaming around with a long face and sulking. And
Yeah.
hota hai, I think, yeah.
Thank you, Ada. Thank you
Thank
for being
you.
part of the show.
Thank you for having me here.